Of course I got it, the Unbrush. I'm so excited to try it. I have very tangly hair and they have curly hair texture. We're just gonna get right into it. As you know, you always start with the ends. I didn't put any detangler in my hair either. Okay, I'm actually wait, I thought everyone was being a little like overexcited, but I am very impressed. And to be able to brush from scalp to end like that fast, how long did that take me? 20 seconds? I still have more hair to detangle on this side. This is the brush I normally use. Ooh, okay, this is good. Do you see that? You all need one of these.